Hi, Math 8. It's good to see all of you, or at least connect with all of you. Welcome to day one of Math for Distance Learning. There's a few things that I just wanted to talk you through before I send you to the Schoology page, or maybe as I send you to the Schoology page, so that you have an idea of how to get started. So if you go to my Schoology page, you will notice on the home page that right at the top, there's a folder that says Distance Learning Week 1, and it might have the dates on it. What you need to do is click into that folder. And this is very important, actually, this part. Do not click by hitting the arrow that makes everything drop down underneath it. Actually click on the links that it opens up the folder. Really, with all of the things I'm going to be posting for distance learning, it's really important that you actually click on the link. You don't just click on the arrow to drop things down below it, because if you click on the link, it opens it up kind of like a page, and it's set up the way that I wanted it to be set up. So once you go in there, on my Schoology page, you'll see your plan you'll see three folders, one for Monday, one for Wednesday, one for Friday. Monday, obviously, is what you should be working on today. And so again, click on the link of that folder. Don't click the drop-down arrow. If you click the drop-down arrow, you're going to miss the instructions. So when you click on the link, you'll notice that the top thing there is a discussion board. This discussion board is something that Ms. Shivik and I are both trying out. And this is going to be the place for you to put questions that you have as you are working on the assignment. I think that it'll be more effective to put questions in this discussion board that I can check in on and periodically answer. And you can also check in on and see if you can answer questions for other people. I think that'll be more efficient than emailing me and waiting for me to email you back, because emails can get lost a lot easier in my inbox. So you'll notice that your first task is to go to that discussion board, and I've given you a question to answer. And I want you to answer the question on the discussion board just to get used to working with it. I also want you to read some other people's answers and practice responding to something that someone else puts. Once you have done that, just as kind of practice to get down to the discussion board, then go back to my Schoology page and work through your lesson for today. This lesson is kind of starting simple. You are going to do a warm-up, and you'll pause the video, and then we'll show you how to answer the warm-up, or how you could have answered it correctly. There'll be some videos for you to watch and some work for you to do. And then at the end, there's an exit ticket that you need to submit. And that also lets me know that you've made your way through it. Like I said at the beginning, as you're going through it, if you have questions, go back to that discussion board and post your questions. And throughout the day on Monday, I'll be checking in and seeing what questions there are and what I can answer. That's going to be a lot more effective than sending me an email. We're going to meet together in a Zoom call on Wednesday, and that'll be a great time for us to talk through what worked, what didn't work, are there things that I could do to help make the lessons more accessible for you. Anyways, I miss seeing you all. I really look forward to one day getting to see your shining faces again in person, but definitely virtually, and I look forward to seeing the work that you all do on Monday. Good luck. Talk soon.